County Regional Airport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 64 degrees, dew point 55, and relative humidity was 72%. The wind was north at 13 miles an hour, gusting to 21. The pressure was 29.98 inches and rising. At Cleveland Hopkins Airport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 64 degrees, dew point 56, and relative humidity was 75%. The wind was north at 15 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.95 inches and rising. Elsewhere across Ohio, at Ashtabula, rain was falling with a temperature of 61. At Cincinnati, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 67. It was partly sunny with a temperature of 64 at Toledo, 64 at Youngstown, 64 at Dayton, and 65 at Columbus. It was cloudy with a temperature of 64 at Burke Lakefront, 62 at Mansfield, and 63 at Akron Canton Airport. Reports from nearby cities outside Ohio. At Buffalo, rain was falling with a temperature of 61. At Indianapolis, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 67. It was partly sunny with a temperature of 70 at Pittsburgh and 65 at Chicago. It was cloudy with a temperature of 61 at Detroit and 63 at Erie, Pennsylvania. The extended forecast for north central Ohio.
It's a test.
Saturday, mostly sunny.
No?
Highs in the mid-80s. Saturday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy.
Come on.
Lows in the mid-60s. Sunday, mostly sunny. High.
There it goes.
Potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. This is NOAA Weather Radio WNG 698 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information for north central Ohio over station WNG.
It works. Oh, why did you tone it as a 6-hour event?
On the latest weather map, a cold front will continue to
Stupid Radio Shack.